culmination of event that I had planned in my mind and dreamt practically every single day for about 2.5 years. Setting up of a voluntary association or an NGO is kind of a passion. So I didn't want to be one more joining the bandwagon and just getting some documents together and saying, okay, hamara bhi NGO hai, hamara bhi foundation hai. So this whole thing is all about change within the community.
We the torchbearers of PRG.
We the torchbearers of PRG.
Solemnly affirm.
Solemnly affirm.
To strengthen the foundation of our community.
To strengthen the foundation of our community.
Provide inspiration.
Provide inspiration.
Leadership.
Leadership.
Lead the community.
Lead the community.
Into the most glorious phase of its existence.
Into the most glorious phase of its existence.
Through diligence.
Through diligence.
Commitment.
Commitment.
Dedication.
Dedication.
Dynamism.
Dynamism.
And integrity.
And integrity.
It's a great start and there's a very promising future for the community. Jimmy is a very committed individual and I wish him the very best. And in any small way that I can help, I'll be very happy and delighted to do so.
I think Jimmy's idea is great, that he's looked at the problems where no one else in the past has looked at. And that is Mobeds, the Agyaris, and I think also the present youth, which is getting lost. So many youngsters don't know what to do. What I feel is that they now have a chance of a professional career or entrepreneurship, which will be channelized through all these various cells and departments that Jimmy has organized.
This coordination of the youth should put the community in the right direction. I personally pledge my time and my money to this effort whenever required.
Jimmy has really put forward the Parsi community and given it a ray of hope.
We require many more Jimmy Mysteries.
I think you need someone like Jimmy to take the initiative. I think all of us would love to take the initiative.
All the best to Jimmy. Jimmy, congrats and carry on such good work. And I'm with you 101%.
Oh, it's great. I think you guys should be congratulated, especially Jimmy. I mean, what he's done single-handedly to start with. Wonderful, wonderful. And he'll get my support.
Special kudos to Jimmy because he has really made it for all of us today.
Jimmy Mystery is doing a commendable job. Something which has been unheard of, never to be done before. All the best to Jimmy Mystery.
Community has got great future if we have got leaders like him.
The youth understand that what Jimmy is doing is right for them.
And I think it all has to do with Jimmy. And I want to call him Jimmy Boy because he's just a boy. And he's doing such manly stuff.
I give him a lot of credit for what he has started. It's no mean achievement to have got so many people together, mobilized, to actually come together and devote their time for this kind of a cause.
For the first time, I find that somebody is looking into a lot of areas that have been not looked into before, and he's obviously got the right way in which he's going about it. I certainly wish him best of luck. And I, for my part, will help him as much as I can.
Here is the man himself, and believe it or not, I am also his astrologer. What a coincidence. And we wish him and the world all the best, now and always. Good luck.
I think kudos to him for his excellent organizational skill, his zeal, his foresight, and I think he could be our future JRD.
I supported Jimmy right from the starting. It wasn't blank support to Jimmy because he was doing something for the Mobeds. The Mobeds are going to look after the Agyaris. The Agyaris are going to take care of the youth because Agyaris and Atashperams are an inspiration for our community and our generation. If these three things are taken care of, I'm sure that the community will still survive.
So every effort, every sincere effort is to be appreciated, supported. I'm fully supportive of it. Jimmy's own enthusiasm is very contagious. Not contagious, really infectious. That would be the right word. You know, you exude enthusiasm to the others. If you propound something and you don't look enthusiastic yourself, you're not conveying it.
I congratulate PRG for doing this excellent work and don't give up. Continue and I'm sure you'll make it.
The PRG needs to be complimented for bringing a whiff of fresh air into the youth of the community. PRG is a vehicle through which the community will progress in the future.
What I heard today, a couple of things I heard today actually moved me to tears when I heard about the plight of the Mobbeds. So I think it was very good, genuinely very good. And I fully support it.
This should have happened 10 years ago.
We are all going to back him up. He's going to be successful in whatever he does.
He's doing an excellent thing for the Parsi community, and I hope we all can contribute in the same manner. And hope this really pushes the Parsi community to a different level, as he says, Gen Next, in the coming years.
I think this is an excellent forum which he is creating to get the right kind of people together, to provide the right guidance and the right approach for community matters.
He's doing an excellent job. I wish him all the success. And I'm very happy that it's for the upliftment of the Agyaris and the Mobbeds. Give full support to the Agyaris. Looking forward to do that.
You certainly have my support. I would act as a resource, and if you want me as a mentor, and particularly to mentor those who want to move out of Bombay, how to build their careers.
Any way I can, in every way I can, I'm committed. So whatever it takes for the youth to be successful, not just Mobbeds, Agyaris and youth, but in any way, I'm for the community.
I do pray and hope that your organization goes from strength to strength. And I think I share your vision that we had a wonderful past, and it's up to us really to make a glorious future. I think never mind about the present.
I congratulate the group. May it grow from strength to strength.
I think this has been a wonderful experience, not only for my wife and me, but I think for all the concerned Zoroastrians. And we need to see that the PRG group continues to last, in view of their very high level of commitment. I'm sure they will.
The community required something like this. It's about time that this resource group have taken up the challenge. We wish them the best and continue doing this good work. I'm sure the whole community will be with you.
They're talking the modern language. They're using management techniques. Mostly you don't find that in community matters. They have got young people in the group, and they've got some senior people also. So it's a good mix. We definitely support it. We're going to write about it and everything else.
I think PRG as a group has been doing a lot for the community, and it's for a good cause. And I'm definitely going to support this cause. So way to go, PRG. Cheers for the Parsi community.
What I heard, it was really from his heart, real ethos from his heart. Yes, if I could manage to, I would also play a very important role in it.
All the very best to Jimmy and his team. Whatever we can do for you with the government in Delhi, it would be a pleasure.
I'm influenced, sold.
PRG Group is working according to this teaching of Avesta. Avapado, avajaste, avaushidariet vimastayasta jaratustrayo, daityanam, ratyanam, vrashtanam, shyotnanam varesai, varesyatam chaita bahuvastraya, uyamna, anoyamna ishtasta. O Mastayasti Jatustis, be ready with your feet. Be ready with your hands. Be ready with your intelligence to carry out religiously lawful and timely work. Let us here do good industry so that we can render help in order to make needy unneedy. And we wish all the best. We congratulated founder member Mr. Jimmy Mistry and his group, and may Lord Aura Mazda bless the PRG and guide PRG to achieve successfully in its new endowment. Amen.